Everyone, I'm Bryce Parrish, and I'll be walking you through a plan for how Apple can respond to a big jump in demand for its MacBooks. We've seen that more people want MacBooks because of their great design, performance, and features. So now the question is, how do we keep up without raising prices or slowing things down? Our plan is simple: increase production while keeping prices the same. Let me show you how we can do that the smart way, starting with where we get the parts. When demand goes up, companies usually have two options. Option A is to raise prices but keep making the same number of products. That keeps profits up but can turn off customers. Option B is to keep prices the same and just make more products. We're choosing option B, make more MacBooks. It keeps our customers happy and helps Apple grow its market share, of course. It means we need to be ready in every part of the supply chain, from parts to production, to deliver. Start with the parts that make up a MacBook. We rely on key suppliers around the world. Chips from TSMC, displays from LG and Sharp, batteries from companies like Amperex and Sonwuda, and memory from SX Hynix and Micron. We also need aluminum cases and parts that come from manufacturers, mostly in Asia. To get ready for higher demand, Apple already does a few smart things. We do regular check-ins with suppliers to make sure they can handle bigger orders. We set up backup suppliers in case one has a delay. And sometimes we even help suppliers upgrade their tech or hire more people so they can make sure parts are faster. It's all about making sure we don't hit a bottleneck if something unexpected happens. Next, let's talk about production. Most MacBooks are built in China at big factories like Foxconn and Quanta. To make sure, we'll need to boost what these factories can handle, like adding more lines or more shifts. We're also looking at building new assemblies spots in Europe. That would help us deliver faster to that region and make sure supply chain less dependent on one country. Automation is another big piece of this. Using more machines means we can make MacBook faster, more accurately, and with fewer delays. It also lowers labor costs and gives us more control over the process. Once the MacBooks are built, we still need to get them to customers. Apple uses air freight, when something is urgent, ocean freight for big patches, and ground transport for local deliveries. To improve this part of the process, we'll add more warehouse space so we can store more units and move them quickly. Work closely with our shipping partners to find the best routes and schedules, and use real-time tracking to keep an eye where things are at all times. We also want to make this part more eco-friendly. That means using electric delivery vehicles and cutting down on packaging waste. It's better for the environment and keeps us aligned with Apple's values. To manage all of this, Apple uses two systems, Kanban and Lean Six Sigma. Kanban helps us get parts and build products just in time. This means we don't have extra parts sitting around and we don't waste space or money. Lean Six Sigma is all about fixing problems and working more efficiently. It helps us catch issues early and keep improving the process over time. With the help of digital tools and automation, both systems let us stay flexible, respond fast, and build higher quality products even while demand is high. Finally, we track a bunch of key numbers to make sure everything is working. We look at how long it takes to get parts, how many MacBooks pass quality checks, how fast we move through inventory, and how much time and money it takes to ship things. We're also using AI to guess future demands so we can be ready ahead of time, and sensors in our system to let us track everything in real time. So to wrap it up, Option B makes more MacBooks without raising prices. Can work really well. We just need to be smart about sourcing, production, and shipping. With the right tools and systems, Apple can meet the demand, stay ahead of competitors, and keep growing strong. Thanks for listening.